What started as a single person infected in the city of Wuhan, China, has grown close to a pandemic as the coronavirus spreads worldwide. Not only killing thousands of people, but this new disease is taking tolls on Wall Street. 12 News' Alex Love joins us now in studio with details on the impact. Alex?
Absolutely, Byron. While there are no cases of the coronavirus in Mississippi, according to the Department of Health, its effects are still making a presence here, with Jackson State canceling study abroad trips to China and drops in the stock market trickling down to our pockets.
In China, the ground zero nation of the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, has infected almost 78,000 people in the course of a couple months. Now this same illness has made its way to 26 other countries, some of the worst being South Korea and Italy, where 229 cases have been reported around the nation's largest city, Milan and Venice, creating a lockdown, putting businesses and tourism at a standstill. While the coronavirus puts many in Europe on edge, here in the U.S., 53 people have been diagnosed with the disease, including 18 new cases on Monday alone. In places like California and next door in Anniston, Alabama, communities are arguing over who should take the patients in for treatments.
At this time, the CDP is no longer going to be a site where coronavirus patients will be transported.
These are American citizens. I want them to be treated the way I would want to be treated if I were in their circumstance. But you don't bring them to a facility that's not equipped to deal with their situation. That's the problem that we had.
In all this, the global economy is also showing signs of illness. Airlines like American and Delta saw the highest percentage in stock lost. Other companies have been forced to cut off flights to China. And on Wall Street, the Dow dropped nearly 1,000 points, erasing all the gains of 2020, the worst numbers in 2 years.
This is a time to visit your strategy, to visit your plan, and to see if anything needs to be changed. If you do need some help, speak with a financial advisor. Thinking long-term is probably the right mind frame to have.
In the wake of this downfall, President Trump took to Twitter, assuring the public the coronavirus is under control in America, and the stock market, to him, is starting to look very good.
When requesting an interview on how to prepare for any cases of coronavirus coming to Mississippi in the future, the Department of Health directed us to their website on what the public should know. You can find those linked on our website, WJTV.com.